Tributes have been paid to Marion Fossett, who has died at the age of 71. Miss Fossett was a singer and an actress, as well as being best known for her work with the family-run Circus, which was set up by her great-grandfather. In a statement, the Fossett family said Marion died in hospital in Dublin last night.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's circus time!
The ringmistress, who was known as one of the best in circus entertainment. Marion Fossett was born to perform, making her debut as a child in the ring, going on to master the art of acrobatics. She described years later how much working and travelling with the circus meant to her and the audience.
You're sitting there watching people risk their lives. You're sitting there watching your children laughing because the clown has water coming out of his ears and they think that's funny. And I said, no other form of entertainment can do that but circus.
In a rare move, she left the circus for some time in the 70s to branch into singing and acting. She was part of the girl group Sheba, which represented Ireland in the Eurovision Song Contest in 1981.
About the fortunes that are on the way. It's crazy, crazy.
We got a recording contract in Holland as well, because all of a sudden they went, oh yeah, look, those three girls, and they're good looking and they can sing. This is what amazed me. They used to say, oh, you can sing. Of course we can sing.
She returned to the circus to take over the role her father had held as ringmaster. She was also a familiar face on TV in the 90s.
We give 2 performances, and then if it's a one-day stand, we have to pull everything down again and move on again. I, as ringmistress, am involved for the entire show, so that's for the full 2 shows that I'm there supervising everything that happens in the circus ring.
Her family said she was meticulous with circus performance. They say with all her talent, she will be remembered as a star and someone who always brought a smile to the audience. Karen Creed, RT News.